Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Exploring Python Selenium execute_script, with arguments, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and the execute_script method allows you to execute JavaScript code within the context of the current browser window. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the execute_script method with arguments in Python Selenium, providing you with a flexible and dynamic way to interact with web elements. Prerequisites. Step 1. Setup. Make sure you have the required packages installed. You can install Selenium using the following command. Step 2. Import necessary libraries. In your Python script, import the required libraries. Step 3. Launch the browser. Set up a WebDriver instance. In this example, we'll use Chrome. Step 4. Navigate to a web page. Step 5. Use execute_script with arguments. Now, let's see how to use execute_script with arguments. Suppose you want to highlight a specific element on the page. You can define a JavaScript function that takes an element and applies a style to it. Here, the highlight_element function takes 3 parameters. Step 6. Find and highlight an element. Find a web element using Selenium and call the highlight_element function to highlight it. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to use the execute_script method in Python Selenium with arguments. This enables you to execute custom JavaScript functions on the web page, making your automation scripts more dynamic and versatile. Feel free to explore and adapt these concepts to suit your specific automation needs. ChatGPT.